Hello, I'm Joseph Ole, a hospital pharmacist. I'll be bringing to you 7 basic specializations within the hospital pharmacy practice. Number 1, clinical pharmacy. Clinical pharmacy practice is the largest in the hospital setting. It has a host of other specializations within it. In clinical pharmacy, generally, we provide pharmaceutical care to the patient to ensure medication safety and efficacy. Number 2 is compounding and manufacturing pharmacy. In compounding, we make available to the patient drugs that are not available in certain dosage form in the market, and in manufacturing, we make available existing medications but at a cheaper price. Number 3 is supply chain management. Supply chain management is a specialization now within the hospital practice, and it has replaced the traditional inventory management. It is concerned with the storage, it's concerned with sourcing, it's concerned with quantification, sizing, and ensuring availability of medication all the time. It's huge and bigger than inventory management. Number 4 is social and administrative pharmacy. In social pharmacy, we'll deal with our interactions, how it affects the patients and their medication use. And in administrative pharmacy, we'll deal with everything that has to do with administration, from the staffing to the spacing or the service provision or any other administrative function within the pharmacy, and that's a specialty. Number 5 is pharmacovigilance and pharmacoepidemiology. Pharmacovigilance is a subset of pharmacoepidemiology. Pharmacovigilance deals with adverse drug reaction to identify them and then to manage them in the patient, while pharmacoepidemiology looks at all the drugs' effect in a population setting. Number 6 is public health pharmacy. Public health pharmacies deals with public health issue, advocacy, campaign, health promotion as it relates with the use of medications. And finally, number 7 is quality management services. In quality management, we deal with quality assurance, quality control, with the products that we make here in the hospital and those that we procure from outside into the hospital to ensure high quality, efficacy, and safety to the patient. Thank you. This information is brought to you courtesy of the Drug Information Unit, Pharmacy Department, University of Ilorin Teaching Hospital, Ilorin.